Okay, this is the Cincinnati Sub-Zero Z+16. To open the door, you pull out on this handle. Oh, put your name here. So you have one shelf. There's a thermocouple here for the product. What I'll do is I'm going to turn the breaker on and it'll turn the power to the unit, and you can see the screen boot up. Okay, here's our main screen here, and I just want to show you down here is a switch for the light. You can see there's a light inside. Okay, I'm just going to run this in manual mode. What you want to do there is hit the view menu. Now we can look at all loops here, for instance, and you can see that we're monitoring both temperature, humidity, and product. But what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to hit the view here. I'll go to dual loops. And what I'll do is I'll leave this at 24, the temperature, and what I'll do is I'll bring down the humidity to show you that the humidity is working. Right now, the process value is at 70, and the set point's set to 25. Temperature here is at 22, and the set point's at 24. So what I'll do is I'm going to manually turn both on by going to the manual event control. And the only two events you can control are both the chamber and humidity, so put a check mark next to both of those and hit update. Go back to the dual loop view. You heard the refrigeration turn on, the compressor. So now what it's going to do is try to control at the set point values here now. 24 for temperature and 24 for humidity. So we'll come back, this will take about maybe 10 or 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll look at it at these values. Okay, you can see we're controlling at 24. Process value, PV is 24, set point 24. And humidity over here, which is the RH, showing us 24.8, set point of 25. So what I'll do here is I'll change the humidity, I'll increase it, go to say 80%, and we'll change the temperature here, go to 72 degrees. You can see the percent output that's putting out 100% to the heater and 100% to the boiler, which is creating the humidity inside the chamber. You can see we're at 72 degrees and 79% relative humidity. Okay, what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to bring the temperature down. 24 now, and turn the dehumidifying on. Humidity has come down, the temperature's down slightly. In order for the humidity to work properly, you can only be between 0 and 100 degrees Celsius. And what I'm going to do here now is run it down to minus 34 degrees. So what I'll do is I'm going to go into manual event control. I'm going to shut the humidity off. I'll do is I'll change the temperature range down there. Go to minus 34. Go to 34 and minus. At this point, we only need to look at temperature. Go to single loop view. So our set point's minus 34. We're at 40, and we're at 100% cooling right now. I just want to show you with these arrows here, you can look at that's relative humidity here, and that's your profile. No, that's your product, excuse me, that's the profile that's loaded in. Be a chamber temperature. You can see we're here at minus 34 degrees. Process value, set point, minus 34. I'll change it to the upper temperature. To show you, if I were to put in 200, the maximum possible upper set point is 190. So I'm going to change that. Clear it, 190. Eventually the compressor will shut off and only the heat will be on. Right now we're delivering 100% power to the heater. Okay, now we're at maximum temperature of 190 and controlling.